with my new boots on.
There's a spider. Ooh.
Where?
You can touch him? Ew, he looks black.
Okay, let's go.
We're gonna fall off the cliff.
Okay, let's not say that. Where's the backpack?
Oh, shit. I don't know if I should be in 0.5.
0.5, yeah. That's what I was looking at. Guys, we're on a hike right now, and if we die, it's over.
Bruh. Alright.
Oh, am I holding it now? Are you ready for this hike?
Well, I went this way instead of that way because I want to be ahead of those old people, and everybody goes the other way.
Yeah, we
But
have
this
to
way's
literally
faster.
power through because it's like a road-ish. So it's quicker, but it's more harder. So yay!
Meet
Yay!
us up, and then we can take off our jackets in like 20 minutes.
Literally.
For real.
I got my brand new hiking boots. I'm good.
Tripped out. Yeah.
And we're back onto the trail.
We on this big ass hill.
I've died. It's okay.
Literally the hardest part.
Literally. And the rest of it is just like a nice little treasure. Doesn't this cut off like 30 minutes of the hike?
Yeah, about. Because they gotta go all the way around there, and then we meet up there. Where that person is. There's a bug flying around my head.
Yeah. We made it past the hard part.
Yep.
I'm sweating my ass off.
It's still up. Trees and mountains and shit.
Look at that. Pig.
Someone left their dog shit. Y'all are stupid.
Y'all are stupid.
Wow, it's pretty cool. Those ravens are loud. There's the old people, we gotta beat them.
We gotta get going.
Yeah, we do. There she goes. You're just climbing stairs. Ooh. This is a cool area we were last time. You remember when we went over there? Did he run away? There's a chipmunk. It's okay.
Let's go find him.
Yeah. I thought it was a lizard at first, but.
How do you feel?
They almost seen it.
Sammy's
The
dying.
key is to make it.
The key is
The
to
key is to
make
make
it.
it.
Yes. Yeah, we saw the chipmunk. Oh my god. Not the chipmunk. Right there. Now he ran away.
Shit. We could go this way, it's 0.2. It might be a little harder, but it's shorter.
quicker.
And then this way, it's 0.1, and then it would be 0.6.
Go the quicker way. Do it harder, but
Okay,
do
so we got like
quicker.
a mile.
A mile left, guys. We can do it. I gotta film. Okay, we're going on top of that. We got all this to do. We can do it. You're too cute. Now, that is Horsetooth, the road. And that's yeah. We're almost there, guys. We are literally gonna go on top of that. We are climbing all of this right now. Super cool rock stairs. Hello. I know. Yeah, right here's chill. Oh no, we're here. Yeah, we have to climb all of this, guys. I know, it's so pretty! Oh. Sure. I think I got it. He's pushing me. Literally almost killed me. It's fine. I would have got you. I like how the grass is pushing through. Yes, you would. So, if you guys couldn't tell, this is why it's called Horsetooth Rock, because it's like a horse's tooth. But up close, it does not look like that.
Yeah.
It looks like two little chuds right there, and then some other stuff. But we are going right on top of it. Let's get climbing!
Super close. Doing it one-handed. I'm doing it one-handed. Oh, jeez. Just gotta get up there. So close. Cliff on both sides. Yep, whichever way looks easiest for you.
I think people get lost.
Yeah, they see how wide it is at the top and they're like, okay. Here.
My hat's gonna fly off. Yeah. Where? Shit.
Yeah.
Can I see it? Holy crap. I got it. I got it. I can't. It's so cool.
Yeah, hop this way. Super close. Slowly on the tip. Yeah, it's like a little spooky right here. I guess. It's super windy. Yeah, we sat there. Yeah, we sat there last time. Yeah. Here's our spot.
Cool. Guys, this is the top. This is crazy. We did it! I know. Sure. This hike is definitely worth the view.
Oh yeah.
And you can see like all these little rows here.
There's house.
All the houses and roads. Look at that little house right there. And this huge valley. Crazy. So crazy. So as you can tell, we were just munching, but this is the view. This is kind of insane. This vlog is to tell you to get your fat ass up out of your bed and go on a hike. And then if you guys want to also see the other side, if I don't die, is this. You could be in your bed right now watching TikTok, or you could be on top of a mountain. You choose. You choose. Oh. You choose. This is the Pika spot. shit. I don't think it's a peak spot because you can't see the other side. I know, but you just see this. This is pretty peak. Look at all that water. There's the reservoir. Soon it'll be warm enough to go swimming, which is fun. And all of that. He's over there. So this is like the middle of the tooth right here, and you guys can hear wind.
It's so loud.
Middle of the tooth, make sure to floss! Hey bro, this shit is brutal sometimes. I know, it's awkward. Where's our stuff? We haven't lost our stuff, guys. But no, I think this is more of the peeker view. Now, maybe if I don't fall. Look at this. What the fuck? Okay, we found the backpack. Yippee! Liam found the perfect spot, if you couldn't tell. It's so peak up here. Oh. Crazy work, crazy work. The sergeant said, look up! You're not looking up.
I can't see. I can't swim.
He's aura farming right now. That's insane, man. Insane. Liam, why would you ever do that? So, we have pondered, and now we are going to start heading down and back home. Oh, so sad. Okay, one last good view. I feel like a dad. It's going crazy.
Look at that cloud, how big the shadow is, bro.
It's covering all of that because of that fat thing. Nature's insane. Just gotta appreciate it sometimes. I'm trying, my hat's gonna fall off, Liam. Where is he? Oh, he's right there, I got him. I got him. Got him on camera, guys. Okay. Oh! He's gone. It's bad right now.
This part's hard. Whole cliff. And go up there. Whichever looks easier. Yeah. By the tree. Literally climbing down a mountain. Got to be careful, guys, when you do stuff like this. You don't want to die. Do not try this at home. Ride a horse.
Careful. It is so windy right over here because it's like the cracks of the mountain. Super careful right here. And if you don't want to do all that, we have this little place right here where you can look at. Holy windy! Okay, yep. We were literally up there. And we made it down. Now we're walking home. So much easier going up too. Got that momentum to go with you. As I was falling. How did it so windy? Look at this valley, ladies and gentlemen. It is super steep though. You have to really put the brakes on your feet. Ain't that right? See the water? I want to jump in it. Guys, we basically made it. We have like this last little stretch. We're done. And then I think we're going to get boba after this. But yeah, we did it. Guys, we found the parking lot. We found the parking lot. We did it, guys. I have to pee so bad though. Okay, so we just finished the hike. We're gonna go get boba now, but that was a long hike. Okay guys, so it's been a couple days since we've done the hike, and I love doing Horsetooth so much, and I definitely recommend it. So if you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, and to subscribe. I cannot speak once again, but make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below if you've ever been on a hike before, and I will see you guys probably next week. We're gonna try and vlog as much as we can because I need to stop being lazy. So I will see you guys next week. I love you. Stay positive. You got this, queen. And bye.